Build better together is our tagline. Rootstock empowers us to live up to that tagline, empowering our internal team to continue to leverage the software.
Rootstock is the foundation of our ability to scale. It made a tremendous difference in how we can support our clients and also how we're looking at positioning the business for the future.
My name is Roberta Natale. I am the Chief Operating Officer at Industria Innovations.
My name is Sumit Mahajan, and I'm the CEO and founder of Industria Innovations. Industria Innovations is a company that supports retailers and brands in their private label needs within home furnishings. Prior to Rootstock, the idea of measuring KPIs was very difficult to comprehend. We didn't have access to the data.
I met our founder, Sumit Mahajan, about 5 years ago, and he was positioning the company at that time for growth. We were doing everything in spreadsheets. There was a lot of frustration around the accuracy, and we were never 100% confident that the numbers were right.
If we wanted to scale, we needed to bring IT into the picture.
My name is Jenny Wang. My title is a data analyst at Industria Innovations. We can customize Rootstock to meet our needs, building custom flows, troubleshootings.
The reports that are coming out of it are much more reliable and accurate.
Having that one-stop solution to be able to access what the company needs in a timely manner. To allow us to not only know what we want, but provide a map to get us there.
In the past, we were pretty bad at inventory accuracy, let's say 60%. Every time, when we receive orders, we are not confident at all. We may have to do another count. But at the moment, I will say we are at 95%. And with that increase, we have more confidence. We can aim a higher percentage. Right now, I think we're aiming at 98%. Like sales love that. They can fulfill their orders with less headaches. They can have their answers quickly than before.
In our company, we have a mindset of continuous learning.
I think it was a catalyst for change, not just from a digital transformation perspective, but from a culture perspective as well. When we talk about sales order numbers, part numbers, work orders, it forced us to use a centralized language as well.
Establishing certain KPIs and understanding that Rootstock give us the ability to track those KPIs. All of those things combined have been truly game-changing for our business.
Rootstock is the core platform for our continued growth.
The opportunities are endless and what we can do to take us to the next level.